What do you make of your year as a club? It's been a memorable one for you.
Yeah, brilliant, isn't it? You know, getting the promotion, growing into this league. Today we get ourselves out to the bottom two with a point clear, all level on games. So I suppose it's all in our hands now.
Well, Steve, was a point of fair result there?
No, no, it wasn't. I felt we controlled the game for large periods, created a lot of chances. I don't know how many entries we had into the final third, but on another day we could have won that by a couple of goals quite comfortably.
It's an important point for us. It's another point that takes us slightly further away from that relegation scrap, but it's just that we need to carry on, go again against Haverfordwest and keep putting in results that we have over the last 4 or 5 games.
Probably replicates the start of the season for us a little bit, where our performances were good, just didn't get the points to match, and it's been a little bit like that over the last 4 games. But you know, the positive is a good clean sheet, and this is a difficult place to come, as we've seen by the results they've had over the last couple of months. But just disappointing that we haven't got all 3 which we deserve.
It's been a year, as you say, or the second part of the year of growing and the boys adapting and really standing up for themselves, and they've showed that again today now. So we look forward to the challenge ahead, and that's one of trying to be the best of those bottom 4 teams, ourselves, Newtown, Flint and Aber, and that's our job.
And a big crowd for you today as well to end the year. They would have been fairly pleased with that result as well, I'm sure.
Yeah, maybe not so much the performance, but as we say, we got a point on the board, and it's a good clean sheet for us, and we look forward now to moving on to Saturday.